Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Trading for Beginners. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to get private key on MetaMask wallet. If you want to get your private key for your MetaMask wallet, then the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. First of all, launch open the MetaMask wallet application on your device. After you are logged into your wallet, go to the top left corner and tap on your account's name. This will take you to this accounts drop down from where you can tap the three dots right next to one of your wallets that you want to get the private key from. Now, on the next page, you'll see the private keys option. Tap on that and then enter your MetaMask wallet password to reveal your private key. Remember that you should not share your private key with anyone since the private key grants full control of your account for the associated chain. After typing down your password, click Continue. You will then be able to see this interface. Go ahead and select the private key for a specific cryptocurrency. Tap on the copy button right next to the token and you will then be able to copy the private key. You write down the private key on a piece of a paper or you can paste it somewhere safe where no one will be able to gain access to it. So that's how you easily find your private key on MetaMask wallet. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.